What are best ways of digital marketing? Damian Kowalski says, best and most effective ways of digital marketing: paid advertising, posts on forums, Facebook groups, LinkedIn, PPC campaigns, organic SEO, email marketing, Quora, Instagram content. Rahul Sharma says, different businesses have different requirements, and what is the best way of digital marketing depends on business factors like audience, budget, demographic, age group, etc. In my opinion, these are the best ways of digital marketing. 1. Search engine optimization. 2. Social media marketing. 3. Email marketing. 4. Affiliate marketing. 5. Search engine marketing. 6. Pay-per-click. Archit Purohit says, if you are thinking to make your career in digital marketing, then must possess all the relevant knowledge and skills in this field. Therefore, if you are willing to make your career in this field, I would highly recommend to go ahead with Certified Digital Marketing Masters (CDMM) program by Digital Vidya. Now let's understand what are the best ways of digital marketing. So according to me, these are the best ways of digital marketing that are used by most of the digital marketers. Unique content. If you are having a website, then you must keep in mind that you should provide best and unique content in it so that you can grab the attention of the users and drive more traffic to your website. Using social media platforms. Using social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn to help gain more online visibility. Running paid ads. If you are willing to get your products and services on your services to get displayed on various online platforms, you can also go ahead with Google Ads and Bing Ads platforms. But for these activities, you need to pay to the search engine. Performing SEO tactics. To make your website rank higher in the SERPs and want more online visibility, you can perform various SEO activities which include on-page and off-page SEO. Thanks for watching our video on what are best ways of digital marketing.